Difference between DNA and RNA. Okay, look, DNA and RNA, though similar, are the key players in very different yet crucial roles within our cell. Here is the breakdown of their key differences. Okay, structure. Stands. DNA is double stranded, forming a famous twist ladder shape called a double helix. On the other hand, RNA is single stranded. That is, DNA is double stranded, RNA is single stranded, lacking its partner. Okay. Look, sugar. DNA contains deoxyribose while RNA has ribose. Look at this picture. Look at this picture. This is the picture of ribose. This is the structure of ribose, and this is the structure of deoxyribose. Look, this carbon is considered 1 and this carbon is considered 2. That's the red color. In ribose, we are getting a hydroxyl group, but in deoxyribose, we are getting just hydrogen atom, right? So DNA contains deoxyribose, that is this thing, and RNA has ribose, that is this thing. The difference is a single oxygen atom. Look, there is no oxygen atom in deoxyribose, but in ribose we have oxygen atom at carbon 2. Deoxyribose lacks one hydroxyl group than that ribose has. That is, deoxyribose don't have OH group at carbon 2, but ribose has a hydroxyl group at carbon 2. Okay. Bases. Both use, that is RNA, DNA, both use adenine, guanine, and cytosine. However, DNA use thymine, and whereas RNA use uracil. That is, RNA use uracil, cytosine, guanine, adenine, and DNA use thymine, cytosine, guanine, adenosine. Function. DNA. The function of DNA is here the master blueprint storing genetic information for long term and passing it onto offspring, RNA. The versatile worker bee with several types. Messenger RNA carries genetic instruction from DNA to ribosome for protein synthesis. Ribosomal RNA, part of the ribosome structure essential for protein building. Transfer RNA delivers amino acids, the building blocks of protein, to ribosome based on mRNA instructions. Other differences. Length. DNA is generally much longer than RNA. Location. DNA resides preliminary in the cell nucleus, whereas while RNA can be found in nucleus, cytoplasm, and ribosome. Stability. DNA is more stable due to its double helix structure and lack of the hydroxyl group in its sugar. RNA is less stable. In essence, DNA is the master plan locked away in the vault, while RNA serves as the messengers, builders, and carriers working together to translate the genetic code into proteins that make up our cells and carry out life's function. Okay. Here is the 10 difference between DNA RNA in short. Structure. DNA is double stranded, forming a famous double helix shape. RNA is single stranded with a more flexible structure. Sugar. DNA contains deoxyribose sugar, which lacks an oxygen atom compared to RNA's ribose sugar. This slight difference affects stability. Bases both use adenine, cytosine, and guanine, but DNA has thymine, while RNA uses uracil instead. Thymine has an extra methyl group compared to uracil. Location. DNA resides primarily in the cell nucleus, while RNA can be found in nucleus, cytoplasm, ribosome. Function. DNA is the master blueprint storing genetic information for long term. RNA act as a messenger carrying instruction from DNA to ribosome for protein synthesis. Length. DNA molecules are generally much longer than RNA molecules. Stability. DNA is more stable due to its double stranded structure and deoxyribose sugar. RNA is less stable and more prone to breakdown. Reactivity. DNA is less reactive to enzymes and ultraviolet light compared to RNA. Replications. DNA replicates itself during cell division. RNA is typically synthesized from DNA as needed. Types. There are different types of RNA molecules with specific functions compared to single type of DNA.